this is going to be quick. We're going to talk about the Turkish Get Up. People will either love it or hate it, but there is not a single exact way to do it. So when I start here at 60-something pounds, I can take this bell and I can lean forward and come up with it. Okay, so here's what people don't like. They say that the limiting factor is the shoulder, how much weight you can do there. It's not training the legs. It trains your whole body to be connected. Okay, so now, if you don't think that's going to be beneficial for something, try taking that weight and just keeping it on your shoulder. Keeping it up. Try doing a sandbag. Try keeping it in rack position here. It does not have to be with your arm fully extended, okay? It does not have to be with your elbow fully extended. The weight can be on your body still. So if you're down, if you're doing any mat sport or anything like that, that weight's here, you want to get it off, okay? Here, I can let the weight fall forward and chase it, okay? Here, it's a big difference. I want to throw that weight. I can put a sandbag, sand ball, and practice launching. You can do all sorts of stuff. Don't be stuck in the mindset that you have to keep the weight locked out to do a Turkish Get Up.